solar panel. There we go. Yeah, solar panel brushes. Okay, so we have different types of the solar panel brushes, and on this poster there's 4 types. Okay, so the simple one is the manual one. This one, the red one, water-fired solar panel brushes. So this is without any motor or batteries, so it's purely manual. Okay, and it's simple to use, and it does the job as well. Okay, and it's cheap as well. So if you are looking for this water-fired solar panel brushes, please let me know. Okay, we have a different pole lengths as well. This is aluminum pole, and we have 3.6 meters, 5.4 meters, 6 meters, 7.2 meters, 9 meters, and 10.8 meters telescopic pole for you to choose. So you can select the poles according to your needs. Okay, and also we can customize the pole as well, like the carbon fiber. You're welcome back. Okay, to join us. Right. This is the manual version solar panel brushes, and the other one here, this is the automatic. Okay, it's we have a single-headed and a double-headed solar panel brushes. It's 360 degree automatic rotating electric. We have 3 different versions. We have electricity versions, which means you have to use the brush when you connect the power supply. And the second version is the lithium battery versions. Hello, welcome, Mr. Leo from USA. Okay, welcome to join us today. I'm just talking about this product, the solar panel cleaning brushes.